So let's say you want to write a smart contract on the Xian Network. You are not really familiar with smart contracts on here, or maybe you're not even a Python dev, so you don't know much about smart contracts, but you want to write one. So navigate to our GitHub repository, um, to our GitHub space here, and then go to Xian AI guides. And in here we have one file called this one, contracting guide. So that contracting guide pretty much sums everything up uh, that's necessary to understand for to basically create a smart contract. It's not something that you would want to read if you want to really learn how to code these contracts. If you want to do that, you'd be better off to just read our documentation here and go into the smart contracts and cheat sheet and so on. But if you want to generate smart contracts through an AI model, to just have something on hand that you can try or that you can try out and play around with, then go into this contracting guide and then just download it. So we have that. Then go to some AI model, for example, in this case, Claude, and just upload it. So where is it? And then let's say, write me a multi-sig contract. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so that doesn't look bad. So this is defined correctly, I would say. Hashes and variables, log events, that's fine. There's no class, that's fine. It's construct decorator, export decorator. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. Not too bad. Okay, so let's just take that and then let's try it out. How? Well, you can just go into our wallet and then to the IDE tab, just paste it in. So this is our contract now. And let's try it out. Start deployment. We'll set a name. Well, we connected to mainnet. Let's maybe switch to testnet. Let's see, do I have coins on testnet? Yeah, okay. So let's go testnet, start deployment. You need to give it a name, obviously. We don't have contract addresses, we have contract names. Um, let's call it Khan. Every contract needs to start with Khan underscore. So Khan underscore multisig test. I think there are no constructors that we need to set. Oh, actually, there is. Makes sense. Initial owners, signatures required. Okay, so how much signatures are required? So that's an integer and initial owners. These are addresses, and this is a list. Okay, so I think we might have something here. How is this thing called? Initial owners. So that matches. I tried this out before, so that's why. And so we have initial owners, two addresses in here. We have initial required signatures. Is this what we need? Signatures required, that's what we need. Okay, so signatures required, 2. Let's say 1. Okay, gas price should be fine. Let's do the deployment. So that actually didn't work because it exceeded the stamp supplied. Okay, so it costs more than what we supplied it. So maybe let's say 1,500. This is amount of stamps. One Xian coin is 50 stamps. Let's see. And that actually succeeded. So we have a contract deployed. Let's see, success, true. Yeah, we could actually use it right now. So this is successfully deployed on testnet. So it's correct in the sense that the linter and everything didn't complain. So it's a valid contract in that sense. I wouldn't say it's guaranteed that it's working correctly. I can't say that. So you really need to review these contracts for sure. Um, but it's a great way, to already get familiar with this and, to understand a little bit how contracts are coded. And then you can load this contract. Multi-sig. So now we loaded this contract from the chain. So basically we did develop it here and then we did deploy it. And then we just loaded it from chain. So this is the deployed contract. And we could now interact with the contract based on these publicly available methods. So yeah, that's what it is.